Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump start your Ford Escape. First, gather your jumper cables and a vehicle with a working battery. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off before you begin any connections. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential hazards. Taking these initial steps ensures a safe and effective jump start process for your vehicle. Now, let's connect the cables correctly. First, take one red positive cable and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of your dead battery. Next, connect the other end of that same red positive cable to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Then, connect one end of the black negative cable to the negative terminal of the good battery. This sequence is crucial for safety. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative cable to an unpainted metal surface on your dead Ford Escape, away from the battery. This provides a good ground. Now, start the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge. After 5 minutes, try starting your Ford Escape. It should now have enough power. Once your Ford Escape is running, disconnect the cables in the reverse order of how you connected them, starting with the negative cables first. Then, drive your vehicle for at least 20 minutes to allow the alternator to fully recharge your battery. This helps prevent future starting issues. Also, for a great resource that can truly change how you think about money, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.